guys, my name is Paula and today I'm going to be doing Auntie Viviana's makeup. So, I've been watching Auntie Viviana's YouTube channel for a while and I just want to show you guys what I've been learning. If you guys want to follow my TikTok, it's paula.x.xo. Please don't attack me because I'm not very good, but I'm just going to go with the flow and do what I can. Don't forget to subscribe to Viana's Beauty, where you will see all beauty related things. So first I'm going to start by brushing the brows. I'm just going to brush them all up like this. Just like that. And then we're going to fill the brows in. You can fill them into any shape you want, but I like to do my brows thick. Here. So you just want to brush the brows again to give it a more natural look.
We should try the garden. Look, what's that? What is money?
So next, we're going to get.
So, who missed my voice? I hope you are not thinking that we'll end this video without me talking. So guys, how did you find her introduction? She was more confident than most YouTubers I know, and honestly, she's never been on camera, so you can guess what I'm talking about, right? So yeah, makeup is an art. You need to keep practicing, and I'm so happy she did this because this is her very first time doing this. So we're gonna be interchanging, me talking voiceover and her explaining what she is doing. I couldn't put all of her explanations because the background was so noisy, and I'm so sorry about that. Now let's get back to Paula.
Oh, and by the way guys, I'm only 11.
No, you're not 11.
Yeah, I am.
Yes.
I'm 11, Ryan.
Liar, liar.
Auntie, tell me I'm 11.
These children won't kill me arguing their age. So actually, Paula is 11 and she lives in Dublin. Dublin is the capital of Ireland. Just clarifying those who don't know. Okay, so now she's just trying to outline my brows, like you know, and you heard her saying she loves full brows, right? So don't come for me at this comment section. I remember she's only 11, as she said, and this is her first time doing makeup on someone or on herself because she's not allowed makeup. So guys, be gentle on her. Try to encourage her on the comments because she's going to read all the comments and all what you have to say. You can also correct her. Positive criticisms is allowed.
Okay, so I'm just going to get some primer and pat it onto the eyes. You can use a blender brush or a brush, but it's better to use your fingers.
So using her finger, she blended out that concealer, giving it a smooth consistency. Guys, this girl, she did better than how I did the first time I did makeup, and I was just so amazed at her seriousness, her devotion. You needed to see how serious she was when she was doing this makeup for me.
So guys, I'm going to use this red color where my finger is.
She said red is her favorite color, so she decided to put red on my eyes. Actually, I didn't mind because I don't think I've ever used red on this channel. Actually, I'm considering using those colors I've never used before. So guys, let me know, what do you think about the brows and the way she concealed the brows? Just let me know in the comments. Thank you. how much she's trying to blend that color. Like that's something she's doing that she's already getting it. You know, the secret to flawless makeover is blending, and if she can try to take her time to already blend like that, then I think she will do great. Honestly, guys, just look at that. An 11-year-old. If you know this is how you do makeup, comment as well. Let's gather. Yeah. Honestly, like, she did better than how I did on my first makeup attempt. And the eyeshadow combination, I would have never thought of it. I would have never thought of it. Like, I just gained so much inspiration from this, and I'll try to, yeah, be replicating it. So what she was kind of doing, I don't know if I've done it on this channel, but she was doing the hollow, is it halo or hollow? Halo eye look. It's kind of the halo eye look. I don't know if she knew that that's what she was doing, but this kind of the hollow eye. What am I talking about? Hollow eye look. Is it hollow or halo? I don't know, Sha. But anyway, let's continue listening to Paula as she does her thing.
Okay,
That's
guys,
micro.
I'm going to
What,
go
do
in
you
with
want
some
chocolate?
liquid eyeliner.
Yes, then let me have the iPad for a bit.
I have never done eyeliner in
Let
my
me
life,
give you chocolate.
so I'm
Then
kind
let
of
me use the
scared.
iPad.
This part got me, guys. Come on, wait for it. Just wait for the eyeliner. I almost laughed out so loud. But I had to control myself because I'm here to encourage her, to give her the morale she needs. Like, she's very passionate about makeup. It can happen to anyone, even me. It happens to me a lot, but that's why we have concealer to always correct. So guys, just wait for it. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Feel free to laugh at the comment section. This is the only part where you have to laugh. Look at that. Look at that. We skipped the part where she was prepping my face for the foundation, but she used the melanin foundation in the color, I've forgotten the color, the shade she used. Yeah, but that is it, guys. Like, the foundation, the comment result. Do let me know what you think about the foundation too. So guys, I hope you're watching this video to the end, and please give her a thumbs up just to encourage her. Like I said, she'll be watching this video, and from your reaction, you either motivate her or demotivate her, and I really pray you do motivate her. Yeah, okay. She's using the beauty blender to blend, like I always emphasize. Like, that thing she did, that I really knew she kind of watched my videos, because she was like, it's just that the background noise was too much. I couldn't let her voice on this particular part, but she was like, you have to blend as though your life depends on it, because the secret of flawless makeup is blending. You have to blend and blend. And she emphasized, Auntie Vivian, don't cut this part. I want to show them how much time it takes to blend. And you all, that's why, even though I tried to fast forward it a little bit, I wanted you to see the reality of the time you need to blend. You don't have to rush, okay? Use a damn beauty blender to blend your foundation. Look at how she's doing. She's blending, and you gradually build up your foundation. That's if you want a completely full coverage. I didn't want to use any concealer because I knew, like, it wasn't for picture purpose or anything like that. So I told her to just go on with the Sacha Buttercup. This is the setting powder, so she didn't use any concealer. So she just set the areas where you usually apply your concealer for the highlights, and then she went forward to apply the powder contour. So that's it, guys. I hope if you have subscribed, if you haven't subscribed, and if you're a returning subscriber, kudos to you.
Guys, I'm just gonna start contouring. Guys, I'm just going to use this mascara.
So guys, this is it. You can see she's doing the lips, and one thing I want us to learn from this video is that you have to encourage your kids, especially your female children, to at least have 1 or 2 handwork. Okay, you don't know where life might take you. Like, I graduated from the university studying economics, but now you see all I'm doing, it has nothing to do with my certificate. So no matter their age, just try to encourage them to do something. This is what she loves. Don't restrict them. So thank you so much for watching, and yeah, let's get back.
So, guys, this is the finished look. The eyebrows did not turn out very well, but I tried. This is how the look turned. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
You have to fix my hair.
Oh yeah.
She actually done a good job. Mama, do you know what this one is?
Ciao. Muta con funya.
Well, we're not going home yet. Because we're staying here until night time.
Oh.
Auntie, can you film me at Splendid's ballet? Definitely wrong. No.
Have you used this wig before in your TikTok? So guys, this look did not turn out very well, but I tried.
You did try.
Next time I'll do better, guys, if there is a next time.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye. Thank you for watching.